Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check if an iPhone is renewed, and here's how it is done. To begin, go to your settings, scroll down and go to General. Click the About option. Look for your phone's serial number. To check your phone status, go to checkcoverage.apple.com to check your phone status. Copy and paste your phone's serial number. Once done, you will see your phone's valid purchase date, telephone technical support, and repairs and services coverage. Aside from that, you can check your phone's model number. If your phone's model number starts with letter M, it means brand new model and purchased from Apple Store online or Apple Retail Store. If F means refurbish, N means replacement device replaced by Apple due to a problem, and P if personalized device. That is everything you need to know about how to check if an iPhone is renewed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.